Hello everybody. I have a quick video for you today. How do you say have a good day in Spanish? Que tengas un buen día. Once more. Que tengas un buen día. That's the more casual way of saying it. There's also a more formal way of saying the same thing. Que tenga un buen día. Or simply tenga buen día. Tenga buen día. You would say que tengas un buen día to someone who you know, like your friend or a family member. Someone who you don't know very well or who is older than you would say que tenga buen día. Keep learning more phrases in Spanish. Make sure you click the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Ciao!